Avon Calling.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the big day, the day that I told you all about that was coming. My announcement video for something amazing that I'm going to be doing, and hopefully for a long time coming. Like, this is my thing and my career now, and I'm just super excited to share with all of you that I'm selling Avon again. Probably you don't know this, but I've sold Avon before and things didn't go well, and it just went downhill, and it just wasn't what I expected, and then it just got out of hand and I had to like give it up. So recently I was on Instagram and Facebook, and I kept getting bombarded with Avon commercials and ads on pretty much everything that I was ever on. So I was like, well, why not give it a shot again? I mean, yeah, in the past it didn't go so well, but I think this is the opportune time to jump into it and see what I can do with it and where it will take me. So I went to the website and put in all my information and all that jazz, and I received my starter pack in the mail. Oh my god, just so excited. Received the starter pack. My online shop is now active and complete, so you can go on there and shop for all of your beauty favorites and fashion favorites as well. There's so many things to choose from, and even the holidays are super amazing. I seen some stuff online and I was like, oh my god. It also inspired me to like get back into it, because there's a lot of really good looking and wonderful products that they have at great prices. So I was like, I want to jump into this and see what I can do, and I'm so glad that I did, and I'm getting another chance. Oh, I'm just like so grateful and excited to see what's happening. This time I'm taking it full on serious. Like, that's what I'm doing. If you see me out in public, be warned, I'm giving you a Avon catalog. This is my job, this is my career. Everything about anything has always been skincare, fashion, everything. I want to share with you what I received in my welcome box. Oh my god. You will not believe what happened to my welcome box on Thursday. You would not believe. I literally almost died and cried. I thought my package was actually stolen from UPS. That's how it ships, is wonderful UPS company where all the packages always get stolen. So I thought someone had stolen it because they probably didn't put it over the fence, they just put it outside, and someone was like, ooh, free product, look at me. Anyway, I have found my product in the dog bed outside. Some of it was chewed up, I have to admit, but nothing was missing. Nothing's missing. I counted everything. Looks like everything is here based on the pamphlet that they gave me. It was like an archaeological dig in the yard trying to find. All my brochures were with them, all my free products, all my samples, all my actually used products that I'm supposed to use, like these. I was like, I like nearly died, because I was like, this is my chance to actually prove and do something, and they're trying to destroy it. So I wasn't really happy with them that night. So I'm happy with them now, but that night they were bad. I want to go through what I retrieved from the yard. My archaeological finds are here. I'm going to get into showing you what I got in my starter pack. There's 3 starter packs to choose from: makeup, beauty, and a miscellaneous kit. 3 different ones to choose from. I chose the skincare kit. I'm really into skincare, so that really matched up with what I really like to do. So I received a lot of wonderful products, and I'm really excited to show you what I got in my starter pack. What I got here are a few cards that I received once a welcome card. On the back is some tips and tricks to like help you get started with your business. This one is like two lovely ladies being here, being fabulous. And then you get one that tells you everything that you got in your bundle, pretty much, like all the recommendations, tells you what each product is for and what it does. Out of all the products from this card, I'm excited to try a new vitamin C brightening serum. I've been seeing this everywhere on Instagram and Facebook for like so long, and I'm ready to try it now, and that's why I got in my starter pack, and I'm so excited. Can't wait to use it and see how amazing it is. It says that it brightens skin and it provides vitamin C and it helps you have a glowing complexion. Serums are very important to your skin. They provide nutrients and vitamins to your skin so that way you can have a healthy, glowing look. So serums are very important, and I'm really excited to give this a shot and see what happens and go from there. This hopefully will be one of my favorite products that I can feature in a future video. What I'm about to show you is a lot of a new vitamin C brightening serum. I have 5 of them. If you don't believe me, here they all are. One I kept for myself because the dogs tried to eat it, as you can see, but it's whatever. I'm going to use it, and it smells so good. Anyway, I got 5 of these. I got 4 of these now. If you're interested in purchasing a new vitamin C brightening serum, I have some on hand, so if you're interested, let me know in the comment section or on my social media. I will happily sell you one of these for a great price. I have the full-size product right here. This is what you get once you ordered your own a new brightening serum. This is what you receive in the mail. It's 1 ounce, and this would last you a long time. You don't need to overdo it. A little bit goes a long way, so it's a great value. Actually, you're getting so much product for such a great price, and I think it's worth it to help maintain your skin. As you can see, the dogs really tore into the box. It was a serious archaeological dig in the yard, I'm telling you. I found the top of this piece, and how I knew it went to this box is by matching up this little piece right here and putting it together. I'm like, yep, that matches, and then putting in the fold, I was like, okay, that matches up. So excuse the damaged box. I know, not very professional. Trust me, this is not gonna ever happen again at all, because once I know UPS is coming, I'm not going anywhere until my packages are safe and secure. Right here I have a new Hydro Fusion gel cream. It's a great moisturizer. I tried a little bit of it so far because it's already been opened. So hydrating, let me tell you. A little bit goes a long way. This is great quality, I have to tell you. This is what I got in my starter pack. It smells so refreshing. This is so lovely. Let me show you. It has a nice little secured topper right here. It's a gel moisturizer. As you can see, a little bit went a long way. I actually applied too much product. That's how hydrating it is. And so nice. Makes your skin feel so supple and just so revived. And I really like this. This is worth getting if you have very dry skin, or if you haven't washed your face in a few days and you have that dryness on your skin. This would actually help that, because my face was very dry before I used it, and it just soaked up all the nutrients and everything, and my face is feeling so great now. I really recommend this one. The new Hydro Fusion gel cream is where it's at, and the size of the product is 1.7 ounces, so you get a lot of product for a great value. That's what I love about Avon. You get so many quality products at a great price. That's what I'm all about. Skincare and savings. Can't beat it. In the starter pack, you got 5 samples. I got samples of the Hydrofusion serum. There's a serum that goes along with the moisturizer, so I have some samples of that. Look forward to trying those out. Maybe giving some away in some catalogs. I don't know yet, but these ones I have to keep because the dogs kind of killed them, as you can see. They totally chewed and went to town on these new Hydrofusion samples. And then I have the catalogs, C3 catalogs right here. So many great steals and deals in here. It's just, you can't beat it. You just can't beat it. There's so many great products. You can't go wrong. And if you best believe I'm handing out a catalog, so be warned. I already warned you. I have the C4 catalog, but this one is my copy. I'm going to be ordering some more of these catalogs pretty soon. I'll have these to hand out as well, but for right now I have the C3 catalogs to hand out. I'm going to set those all up and get started passing them out whenever I can. This is what I want to do. I'm going to be doing so many different things with Avon and doing so many different videos, so yeah, I'm super excited. This is a really big deal to me. It probably doesn't seem like a big deal to any of you. I don't know. I'm truly grateful that I get to even do this again. Like, I never thought it would be possible to even be a rep ever again. I did it, and I'm excited. I hope that all of you will let me be your Avon representative. I have my website down below so that way you can click and shop and pick out some lovely products for yourself or someone special or upcoming occasions. I'm your one-stop shop for everything, and I have some great deals in the catalogs and online, so hopefully you'll choose me as your Avon representative. And I'm just so thankful and appreciative that all of you are here. I'm able to share this great news with all of you because I'm excited. Like, this is amazing to me. There's so many different emotions. I can't even like express all of them probably in this video of like how thankful and truly grateful I am. Thank you so much for allowing me to share with you my great news of becoming an Avon representative. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. It's super appreciated. You're super appreciated for being here, and I'm hoping that you'll choose me as your rep. I'll have all the information down below in the description, so if you're interested, I will do my best to link everything. I'm still new and getting used to everything, so if I miss anything, I'm sorry, but I'm just so excited, like it's overwhelming. So, anyway, be sure to subscribe for more videos. There's going to be so many more Avon videos, so much more beauty products to choose from, so many reviews, videos, all that, so please subscribe with notifications on. And you'll be notified when I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. Also, I'll be posting on social media that I have a new video upload, so follow me on all my social media so that way you can stay up to date on the latest on videos and just what I'm doing in general. So go check me out on all my social medias. They're all linked down below as well. All my affiliate links as well are down below. Everything's down below in the description. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.